few weeks ago, you may have scrolled past one of our videos that said this. But the real driver, human-produced carbon pollution. In fact, CO2 levels surged in 2024, driving the planet towards more extreme heat. 2025 is already tracking to be one of the hottest years ever recorded. Yeah, so we were talking about climate change's hand on summer heat. Now, Climate Central is back with a deeper dive to understand the fingerprints that it has on our absolute hottest of the hot days of the season. Let's do the basics first. Utilizing attribution science of the Climate Shift Index, we know that climate change is having a growing influence on extremely hot summer days. In fact, 88% of almost 250 US cities that were analyzed have seen an increase over the last 5 to 6 decades of not only the hot days, but the ones that we can tell climate change have had an influence on. And this ain't your parents' summer, and it certainly isn't the summer your grandparents got to enjoy. Nationally, cities currently experience, on average, 6 extremely hot summer days with a strong climate change fingerprint. Back in the 70s, days like this were nearly unheard of. And even in the 80s and the 90s, with our big hair and our bright colors, rare at best. The biggest impacts, 7 of the top 10 cities heat is being amped the most are down south, mostly for y'all in Texas. So what does this tell us? Carbon pollution from burning things like coal, oil, methane gas has been warming the planet all these decades. Today, when you walk out the door to those brutal heat waves, you're feeling exactly what scientists have continuously warned us about all this time. Go check out the fingerprint of climate change on the worst heat of your city's summer. Data and details are waiting for you right now at climatecentral.org.